Hello guys, today we're in Grassi Lakes and also kind of fast and here's the bell and there are snails.
Whistle.
What is here?
Oh, that's so loud. And what's this?
This is it's other one.
Oh, bell.
A bell.
Okay. It's okay. So, are you excited? Is this your first time to hike? No, I don't think so, right? Okay. So, what will you say to them?
Come with us.
Okay.
Hello guys, today we're doing we walking like hiking. My dad and my sister. So I have the whistle here
And your mom.
already, and here's my mommy. That's Sophie the mama.
Okay.
Come guys, so we can go hiking.
Where are we?
And Grassi
Are you
Lakes.
tired? Not yet? Kind of. Hungry? Daddy's thirsty. Okay, see you later.
Hello guys, we're back. I'm kind of tired because of the walking. And then when we almost there are gonna be bears walking around.
Oh no, you have to be careful.
And hold daddy. Also, if you're going down, it's more easier. So,
Okay, let's keep going.
hi guys, today we are back. And also, look at there, there's lots of mountain and everything.
You can see the lake from down here.
Yeah, I'm so deep. And then what?
Are we high? Oh yeah, look at that.
Or whatever that
Yeah.
Also, everyone, I asked you when we're there, there's a one. Hi guys, today we're back and look at there.
Oh yeah.
And also, maybe that's the one. Did you see water there? Maybe it's the water.
Are you excited?
Yeah! And that's clouds there.
Are you tired?
Hi guys, today we're back. So here's the water.
Here's the lake, Grassi Lake.
Yeah, so come and
Not yet. Let's have a look around. Go up there. What can you see?
I see some fish and some seaweed.
Seaweeds. What else do you see? What color? What color? What is the color of the water?
It is kind of blue.
Turquoise, yeah. Is it nice color?
Yeah. And then there is the seaweed. Everyone, let's come here.
This way, so we can see the mountain and the river too.
Wow.
Look at me.
Okay, everyone. Let's go somewhere else.
Okay.
Wow.
What?
Wow, look at that.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
What do you see?
Water. Look there.
Oh yeah. Water flowing.
See that?
Mhm.
I'm going to show you something. Whoa. That's how I can do.
Okay, let's go this way.
Hi guys, today we are back. And then we are here with the water. That's
Just
the
don't go down, okay?
Oh, let's go. Hi guys, today we walk. Then we go to the next level. Then here's the mountain. And the wind.